In this video, I will show you how you can unlock your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the Ultra if you have forgotten the lock screen password. Now doing that is very simple, but keep in mind that by performing this process, you will lose all the data which is saved on your phone. Because basically what we will have to do is that we will perform a factory reset on our Samsung phone. And also there is one more thing. You need to know the Gmail account which is signed into your Samsung account. Also, you need to know the password of that Gmail account. Because basically after we perform the factory reset, we will complete the authentication process using our Gmail account. Now, after you back up all the data on your Samsung account, now to start the factory reset process, just grab the charging cable of your Samsung phone and make sure that it supports data transfer. If your charging cable does not support data transfer, this method will not work. Now, after you grab the charging cable, and just connect one end of the cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now, you don't have to do anything on your laptop or on your PC, just connect one end of the cable to your laptop. After that, just grab the other end of the cable and plug it to your phone. Now, after you connect your phone to your laptop or to your PC through the charging cable, then just grab your Samsung phone and press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen goes black. And once the screen goes black, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button with the power button. Just like that. Now to start, just press and hold the power button with the volume down button. And once the screen goes black, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button with the power button until your phone enters into recovery mode. After that, just release both of the buttons. Now in the recovery mode, just press the volume down button and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now just tap on the power button to confirm this action. Press the volume down button and select Factory Data Reset. Now keep in mind that by performing this process, you will lose all the data on your phone. So make sure you back up your data before doing the factory reset. Now from here, just press on the power button to confirm Factory Data Reset. And once the hard reset process is completed, then just press on the power button to reboot your phone. Now on the welcome page, just select your language, then tap on Start. From here, just tap on Agree to All, then tap on Agree, and from here, just tap on Setup manually. From here, just connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network, then tap on Connect. Tap on Next. Now as you can see, it is asking you to enter the lock screen PIN to complete the setup process. Now instead of the lock screen PIN, just tap on Use My Google account instead. And from here, just enter the Gmail address which was signed into your Samsung account. After you enter the Gmail address, then tap on Next. And in this section, just enter the password of the Gmail address. After you enter the password of the Gmail address, then tap on Next. And by doing that, you will authenticate yourself. Now you can either sign into your Gmail address, but I'll skip this step. Now from here, you can enter your Gmail address to sign into your Gmail address, but I'll skip this step. Tap on Skip. Now select Don't Copy. Now I will just skip all the setup process, but you can set up all these settings later in the settings. So I'll tap on Skip. Tap on Skip. Now as you can see, it is asking you that do you want to set a lock screen PIN, password or pattern. I will select Skip, then tap on Skip anyway. Now just tap on the arrow icon and select Accept. Now as you can see, it is asking you that do you want to sign into your Samsung account. I will skip this step, so I'll just tap on Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account, then tap on Setup Later in Settings. Tap on the arrow icon and select Skip. Tap on Agree. From here, just select your display mode. I'll keep it on light mode, then tap on Next. From here, just tap on Next. Then tap on Home to go to the home screen. All these steps and settings which we have skipped setting up while we were setting up our phone, you can set them later from the settings. As you can see, if we go to the settings, from here you can sign into your Samsung account. And also you can set the lock screen PIN, password or pattern from here. And all the rest of the settings are available in the settings app. And as you can see, we have successfully unlocked our Samsung phone without the lock screen password. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.